Did my hair go longer?
Let's see. Looks like it did. What's the oil gonna do?
Make my hair go.
Good job.
Again.
Yeah, even longer.
Longer.
Yeah. And now I am massaging your scalp to make blood flow to your scalp and get to your follicles so your hair can grow even better.
Why you always braiding it and combing it?
Braiding it and combing it?
Yeah, what you are doing right now.
No. It's called stitches, baby. I'm using the comb to create the stitches. Okay. I don't want the braids to be right in front of your head because the front of your hair is very fragile. So I'm using the comb to move the hair in. See?
Thing. My hair looks like a spider.
It looks like a spider?
Yeah.
Interesting. After this one, I'm gonna put in one more braid and then I'm gonna make the rest into rubber bands, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna have 3 braids on one side and 3 braids on the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 1 more 3. That's gonna make how many, baby?
6.
Because 3 and 3. Now count 3 and 3 on your hands. Count them on your finger.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Now count them together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. How many do we have?
6.
Good job.
Placing this on like you.
You're placing it on like me?
Hello.
I
like the hairstyle that you're doing.
Thank you, Demi.
do want to tie this on your hair.
No thanks.
Please, it's the color blue, your favorite.
You know white is my favorite. You know blue is my favorite. Little dot is my favorite.
Okay. Let's pass a pillar.
No, I cannot.
No, why your head? Thank you.
It's like
See? You like your hair?
yeah.
What do you like about it?
All the things you made on it.
All the things I made of it?
Yeah.
Like what? Show me.
Yeah. And the things behind me.
The one behind? I knew you'd like that. I knew you'd like that. Crips. Turn around slowly, honey. Now shake it. That's it. Okay, one more time.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Mama. Yeah, look towards the door.